Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a happy mail. Once again, I'm receiving something from It's a Stroke of Life, Melissa. Melissa has a channel here on YouTube. We will leave a link below. She's got a really fun doll channel. Recently, she just did the cutest little bats DIY that is a hair clip for dolls. She also has done little dresses and shared her patterns, actually giving her patterns away. And I say again, if you go to a channel and they give you a pattern, take the time to leave that like, and if nothing else, write in the comments, thank you for the pattern. It's just a nice thing to do, and it helps out all of the channels. Anyway, I want to open this. I want to be careful because I'm pretty sure I had to carefully get this started. Accident or an on purpose, she sent flamingos, which I absolutely love, as tape on the back of the envelope. Thought that was cute. She does the cutest little art things. She's very, very talented. Oh, how cute is this? Hi, Marna. I saw this ribbon and I had to get some for both of us. Hope you find it useful. Toodles, Melissa. Look at her handwriting. Mine is horrid. Hers is like, man, it's like typewriter did that, computerized. Look at this cute ribbon. I am loving it. I collect troll dolls. Oh yeah, that's cute. How cute would that be for a belt for a 36-inch Barbie or an 18-inch American Girl? That is, I love it. Thank you so much, Melissa. What a fun thing to get in the mail. Have a look at Melissa's channel. You're going to love those little bat wing hair clips for dolls. You might want to wear one in your own hair. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.